guys, it's me, Laura, and here I am up in one of the attic rooms that we have in this house. So just the word attic kind of brings to mind hot in the summertime. But one of our daughter's rooms is up here and we needed a way to bring down the temperature in the summertime. So this is what we did right here. So this is the finished product, okay? I'll put up here a picture of a before and after, and I will tell you, boy, has it dropped the temperature. It was super easy to do. I will say a little bit of a learning curve, but I did these windows a lickety split. Now, it was easy in the beginning to have an extra hand when we unrolled the product because it had a tendency to roll. But once I unrolled it, I was able to use items just to kind of level it down on the ground so I could work with it there. But other than measuring, cutting it, you tear off the backing, squirt it down, it applies with static. This has severely dropped the temperature. So I am saying we have a thermometer up in here. I was going to show you, but it's across the room. We have a thermometer up in here so I can kind of monitor it because we just got this up yesterday and it is only 3 degrees higher than the downstairs. That is unheard of. Now we're actually going to try to decrease it just a little bit more for her and to get blackout shades, but this could be a standalone in regards to the temperature reducing. I'm actually so shocked, to be honest. So if you need something either to darken a room a little bit, bring down the temperature because it's a little bit hot, this is definitely something I would try. I'm gonna show you the directions of how we went about it, but I love it. We only got one window left to do. So first you're going to want to use your spray bottle and spray the back of it while it's laying on the floor. Then you are going to want to actually spray the window you're going to be putting the tint on. Once you have a good layer of it, go ahead and place it up and get your seams where they would like to be. So you push it around and you have plenty of time to be able to utilize it because it has the moisture behind it. Then you spray on top of your tint and use a squeegee to start pushing out the wetness from behind the tint. So you just go around pressing out on all of the corners as you are holding it in place. Now on this one, there is a lot left over on the right-hand side, and that is because it was the last piece. So we actually didn't cut it to size. Now, as you notice in the top left corner, it started squishing down, but that's okay because there's still wetness behind it and I'm able to push it right back into place. So now I'm holding it a little bit better and squeegeeing out all the excess water so we don't have any bubbles behind it. And we use the rag just to kind of wipe off the squeegee as well as using the pressing method to get it all out of the corners. Oh, there it goes again. It got behind and moved on down, but we still had enough time to be able to squish it back into the corner. So that is just fine. It just shows you that you have a lot of working area. When we get to the cutting point, we're just going to cut along with our razor blade for it to fit on all of the corners. I even used a little pair of scissors to cut on one of them.